Hello farmers. Welcome to episode 2 on early pig care. If you didn't watch the previous episode, the link to the video is in the description below. Stocking density. Upon arrival, place pigs in a few pens and get an accurate count of pigs received. Pull out or sort off the special attention pigs first. Once pigs are sorted, move the rest of the population into the needed pens for square foot recommendation. After sort is completed, give the pigs a 2-hour rest period to get acquainted with the new environment and pen mates. After rest, the next focus will be to ensure pigs have found water. Provide 0.26 square meters of floor space per head up to 22.7 kilograms. Pigs heavier than 22.7 kilograms will be crowded at that density, so if vital space cannot be increased before they reach the 22.7 kilograms mark, the initial stocking should be at 0.33 square meters per pig. Generally 5 to 10% of the barn space should be reserved as hospital or fall behind pens. Depending on the age, size, and health of pigs, the space will need to be adjusted up or down. Do not include this 5 to 10% in the barn square footage for initial pig placement. Double stocking wean to finish barns is a standard practice in the industry. It is important to understand that even in barns properly designed for double stocking, pigs can be adversely affected, and they do not perform as well as single-stocked pigs, ending up having 2% to 4% less full-value pigs than single-stocked barns. There are several key factors to remember when double stocking a barn. Resources must be provided on a per-head basis. Feeder space/head. Cubic meter per hour/head. Water/head. Creep area/head. Zone heat/head. Initial stocking density of 0.26 square meters per head is recommended to 22.7 kilograms. If pigs are moved heavier than 22.7 kilograms, stock at 0.33 square meters per head. Pigs should not remain double stocked past 7 weeks placed. Heavier feeder pigs do not transport well. Do not double stock longer than 4 to 5 weeks. If this occurs, the percentage will be compromised. Age. A minimum wean age of 20 days, 21 to 22 days average, is recommended for piglets placed in wean to finish buildings. When weaning to nurseries, the minimum age could be reduced to a minimum of 17 days. Pigs younger than this require extra care and nutrition and will probably have higher morbidity and mortality rates. Fill time. Fill time of the barn should be as short as possible. An age spread of 7 days or less within a room or barn is preferred. If a longer age spread is unavoidable, pigs should be placed so that there is a maximum age spread of 7 days on a feed line. Otherwise, pigs may be either overfed or shorted on nutrients. If there is a greater than 14-day age spread within a common airspace, barn or room, the environment can be difficult to manage, particularly in extreme weather conditions. That's all that we have for you today. See you on the future videos. That's all that we have for you today. For more future videos, kindly click the subscribe button. You can also click the links on the description below to visit our website and to watch other farming videos. Thank you for watching.